Hi guys, I am back again with a glueless wig install, and this is a water wave wig from UNice Hair. Okay, water wave wigs are so beautiful. They're always so pretty and always so easy to manage, and this wig is so lightweight. I don't even know how to explain how lightweight this wig is. It doesn't feel like I'm holding this much hair in my hand, right? So it's a very lightweight wig, very easy to install. It came pre-cut already, so the lace has been cut for you and the knots have been bleached. Okay, so that's why it's called the bye-bye knot. So there are no knots visible, and the lace is 7 by 5 inches. Okay, look at the wig cap. So it comes with the elastic band and the comb to secure it to your head. I like when wigs don't come with combs at this side, because the combs at this side usually hurt my head and they don't do much for me, especially if I'm going to be wearing the wig with a band. So yeah, I like as it's just one comb behind. Okay, I actually use that comb, and then it also came with elastic band so that you can just wear it glueless. It is an easy wig to just put on your head and be going. Okay, and then you have the star of the show, which is the wig. You guys just look at how soft and beautiful and bouncy this wig is. It is actually 150% density, but it doesn't look it. It actually looks really full. So since this wig came pre-cut, I want to just color the edge a little bit. That is the part that was cut. I want to just use my foundation powder. I'm just going to use my foundation powder and just color it just a little bit, nothing serious. I don't think you guys can even notice. Can you guys notice that I colored it a bit? Yeah, you might not really notice, but just a little bit, because the lace is HD lace. Ooh. Okay, so that is the wig just out of the box and on my head. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty good already. These curls are so beautiful. You guys always tell me that curls fit me more than straight hair. I don't know, but this looks very, very beautiful. And this is it. Just look at this hairline, guys. I haven't done much to this hairline. Yeah, this is basically how it looks. I'm actually impressed. Okay. You guys, I am still so impressed with this hairline. I haven't put mousse or any styling product on it, and it looks like this. UNice Hair, like, show off, show off. You guys are really showing off at this point, because how? This is it without effort. Like, are you guys seeing what I'm showing you? I feel like my camera is not showing this well. Let me show you guys. Are you guys seeing this hairline? No styling product whatsoever. Girl. I sincerely don't see much else that I need to do to this hairline. Okay, so let me just work on the curls instead. So using a white tooth comb, I'm just going to brush out the curls and then use water to define them again. Okay, water and mousse. You guys know how I do it, right? Not much shedding. This is the wig all brushed out. Okay, let me shift back a bit. Yeah, so this is the wig all brushed out. Let me now redefine the curls with water. Okay, so these are the curls with just water. Yeah, just water. So that is it for this wig, you guys. In the description box, I'm going to leave a link to this wig and all the details of how you can purchase this wig in the description box, okay? So just go and check it out. And yeah, I love this wig, you guys. This wig, I'm not going to remove this wig until evening, until it's time to sleep, okay? But let me just show you guys this hairline again, okay? Just in case you missed it, just look at this hairline. There is no glue whatsoever. You can just take off the wig and put it back. This is the wig off. I'm taking it off. So that is the wig off. Let me put it back on. That is the wig. That's it. Trust me, guys, you don't have to spend so much time styling your wigs, okay? Just put it on your head and you're good to go. You don't need to be using glue and all of that, as long as you get a very good wig like this, okay? Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.